Hey guys, for today's discussion on page 84 to 116 in Behind the Beautiful Forevers, you'll be working in your pods to examine multiple characters' perspectives on Fatima's burning and the imprisonment of Karam and Abdul. Each character has different motives and hopes for the outcome of this conflict, and sometimes it's hard for readers to keep all of that straight. So, our job today is to unpack the layers of the conflict and get all of those details ironed out. You can find the activity in Canvas in the Forevers module, and you want to scroll down to additional resources and activities and open the multiple perspectives activity for your hour. Please don't type anything in the document until your sub gives you the go-ahead. So the scenario you're working with is this, and it's right here in the document. It says Fatima has been burned and is at Cooper Hospital. Abdul and Karam are in jail. Zeronisa is trying to do anything she can to help Abdul and Karam, and Kekashan is at home. So I know that other things have happened since this exact scenario, but in order to analyze the perspectives of all involved, let's stick to this moment in time before Fatima passes away. So each pod has been assigned a different character to analyze for this activity, and you just have to look at the table to figure out who your pod has been assigned. As a group, you need to first identify that character's point A, or what that character's status is at present with the scenario. Next, you want to identify that character's point B, or whatever the end goal is for that character. And lastly, you want to identify any roadblocks that stand in the way of that character getting from their point A to point B. So you're going to have about 5 minutes to complete this step of the process. Please have only one person from your pod add to the doc, and this will definitely reduce editing madness. I trust that you guys are all responsible enough to handle the activity, and you're going to discuss your contributions to the document when everyone's done making their edits. Good luck!